Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to Loafs Co. Today we will be making some Pitaya peanut butter bowls, or just one bowl, I guess. Our ingredients for today are I have 2 packs of these frozen magenta fruit, some strawberries, some bananas, some almond milk, and some peanut butter. We'll just blend it up real quick, and I would use, I'm not gonna use all the milk just because I like a little bit more like a thicker bowl, but yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, so let's do it. I would just put it on smoothie. It's just like a smoothie bowl. Maybe I'll add a little bit more milk. We're just gonna put some bananas on here. I might have put it a little too thick, but that's okay. And there's the finished product. I think it looks awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.